This light is a new installation. I am on Bay Street in Toronto.
This public art display was installed at the perfect time as Toronto just experienced their cloudiest January in 11 years.
This was created by Samuel Hardwick-Brown, a Toronto Metropolitan University student who created this during class as an architectural project, but then once he graduated, decided, let's take this initiative into our own hands, and created this installation to help combat seasonal affective disorder through the winter season.
Currently built out of wood and plastic, to keep this structure standing year-round, Sam is looking for funding to make this a permanent steel lamp. To try light therapy for yourself, you can find the Sam lamp at 777 Bay Street, Toronto until February 27, 2024.